Sanibonani bafundi, sifunda ngemvumelano yomenzi. We are learning about a subject concord, which is also known as a subject agreement. A subject is umenzi in isiZulu, hence we call it imvumelano yomenzi. Let us look at how do we see which concord or which agreement we use. All right, so when we need to find this out, we need to use the prefix isiqalo segama. So it's the same as noun classifications. If you remember correctly, this is exactly the same order of the noun classifications that I have used here. So you look at the prefix, ubheka isiqalo, and then you make a decision as to which concord or which agreement you're going to use. So the first one, which is also the first noun classification, umu. This is a prefix for a person, which starts with umu. Umuntu, a person. And then imvumelano would be u. Umuntu uyahamba. Umuntu is your subject. The agreement is u. Then we put ya. Then we put the verb, which is hamba. Then the plural form for umuntu would be aba, which is the next classification. The agreement for that would be ba, um, abantu bayahamba. Then we have u, example ugogo. Um, the agreement would be u again, or the subject concord would be u. Then we would say ugogo uyahamba. The plural of ugogo would be ogogo, which is the next classification. Oh God, the subject concord or the agreement imvumelano would be ba. Then we would say ogogo bayahamba. Umuti, a medicine. The agreement would be u. Then we would say umuti uyababa. The medicine is bitter. Or we would say the plural form of umuti, it's imiti. Then we would say imiti, the agreement is imiti iyababa. Medicines are bitter. Then we move on to the next noun classifications, the prefixes. So I or ili would be li. Ilije, that would have a subject concord li. Ilije liyasinda, the rock is heavy. Then the plural form would be ama. Amaje ayasinda. Is your agreement. Isigqoko. Then you would have the agreement which is C. Isigqoko sihle. The hat is beautiful. Then the plural form of isigqoko would be izigqoko. Then the agreement would have to change to Z. Izigqoko zinhle. In or im. Ingane, a child. Then we would have imvumelwano, the agreement, which is E. Ingane iyakhala, the child is crying. Then you have a plural form of that would be izingane. Izingane ziyakhala, children are crying. We carry on to ulu. That would maybe uluti. Then uluti would have an agreement lu. Uluti luncane. Uluti, it's one of those small sticks. Uluti luncane. Then you will have these ones are the ones that don't have plural forms. Ubu, ubuhle. Ubuhle bubalulekile. Beauty is important. Bu is your agreement. Ukudla. Ukudla kumnandi. Food. And then we have the agreement, it would be kumnandi, which is it's nice. Ukudla kumnandi, the food is nice. Alright, siphelela lapho-ke, that's where we end with our lesson. Goodbye, hambani kahle, or salani kahle.